Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby and let's just get right into it. So you clicked on this video because you want to grow your glutes from home, like it's giving the gym, like it's giving Smith machine, giving RDLs with the 35-pound dumbbells. It's giving a real leg day, but at home. One, you are going to need the proper resistance. Second thing that will help is some type of stimulant. Like, girl, you don't need creatine, you need your brain stimulating. If I find these on Amazon, I definitely will link them below, but I get these from Sprouts. It's ginkgo biloba, so it's really good for brain health and focus and adaptogen. It's called Cannula. It goes around your ankle, and this is completely, like, you know, removable and everything, so you can adjust your weight. Right now they're on 5 pounds each, and you'll see why. So for this workout, I suggest you have one pair of 5-pound dumbbells, and I also have a pair of 15. So this is a single leg glute bridge. You're gonna lift one leg up, and the opposite leg is gonna push all the weight for you. The weight, dumbbell is gonna go right over your hips. Make sure that this leg should be doing no work. 8, 7. It just shouldn't be on the floor. That's it. 6. Also, make sure that this, the working leg, make sure it's not too far back, too close to you, not too far up. So like a 90-degree angle there. If you cannot push, like if you only come off the ground this much, I promise you that's fine. 7, and keep adjusting that foot. 6, until it's, you know, where you're feeling it the most in the glutes. Really be connected mentally, trying to figure out where, you know, the activation is for you. Make sure that you are slowly pushing through. That's where the size is going to come in, and I promise you. 11. Half the time when you feel like you don't feel it in your glutes is because you're moving too fast. Like you're going over you're going over the rep. You know what I'm saying? Like you're not in the rep, you're over it. Like you have to get in the rep and push up, actually push the weight. I know that sounds like duh, but no. If I relax right here and then push up slowly and actually think about pushing the weight with what I wanted to push versus just going like this, that's a big difference on what your body is going to do and use to get that done. Doing these, you want to make sure that your back is staying in a somewhat neutral position, so try your best not to like arch and kick back and extend. That's what I see a lot. So kind of keep it compact, you know, and think about going just straight up. Think about the heel of your foot touching the ceiling, while at the same time keeping your lower back pulled in just a little bit. Whew. And we're going to do 12 of these. Woo. 1, 2, 3. Take these slow. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And as you can see, I'm readjusting myself. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm readjusting myself as I go, so it's natural. On the knees, and then you're going to bring one foot up at a time. Heel forward, heel forward. You're going to stay low, so don't come all the way up to a stand. You're going to stay halfway like this. Come back down. That's 1. Each set, leg, left, right, that's 2. 3, try to keep your chest up. My chest started rolling forward, so just roll your shoulders back. 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna go for 2 more. 2 more. 2. 1 more. 1. Woo! Now we're gonna alternate and do side first, then right. Ready? Yeah, so you're gonna be stepping up with the other leg first now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. 2. Also try to stay there for a little bit, like you see, pause like that and push the knees out just a little bit. And you're gonna feel it. You're gonna hate me for that. Also gonna need like a Swiffer. So you have to, with your broom or Swiffer, whatever you have to first make it vertical. Then you're gonna take the strap over here with the logo side that is gonna normally go over your ankle. Go ahead and just loop it in, secure it. We're gonna do the same thing, couple of inches down. And so we're essentially making just a little deadlift bar. Yeah. And so then same thing, you're gonna take the logo side, just like this is your ankle. Go ahead and swoop it in and over. And then we're gonna start with our single leg deadlift. Step 1 leg forward, then come down. Keep your shoulders rolled back and up. I keep the weight as close to my shin as possible on the way down and up, so I don't let it stray out far like this. I keep it close.